Hi, good afternoon. Planning a Tribe Oral Exam by María Alejandra León Salazar. Argentina, Fundación Universitaria de la Argentina. Our trip plan. Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about planning a trip. I choose to plan trip to Cartagena, Colombia because it is beautiful city with beaches, culture and history. I want to travel with my best friends for 1 week during the summer vacation. We plan to stay in a small hotel near the beach and enjoy the warm weather. What we can do in Cartagena, we can visit many communities, places. We can go to the old town, take pictures, and walk around the colorful streets. We can also visit Castillo San Felipe and learn about the history. At night, we can go to a restaurant and try traditional food like arepas de huevo and seafood. What we should do, we should book the hotel and find tickets early to get better prices. We should also pack like clothes, sunscreen, and sunglasses because it's very sunny. And we should learn some basic phrases in English or other language documented with tourists. What we must do: we must bring our ID and travel documents. We must also follow the safety rules and respect local culture. What we may do, we may take a boat trip to the Rosario Islands. We may also buy some souvenirs or handcrafts for our families. If we have more time, we may visit another city near Cartagena or like Barranquilla. Finally, we should relax and enjoy our trip. Thank you for listening. Bye.